Hey there, Jeffrey here from Sephora Pro, an official member of the Sephora Beauty Insider community. That's right, community is all a buzz and everyone's super active on all of the chat rooms and forums, and we have found that the skincare forum is the most chatted about and everyone is really curious about what products are amazing to try, they have concerns, and we've crunched all of the questions that we found in a nice little video to kind of put them all together and answer those questions for you. So if you're a member of community, stay tuned because we're going to answer those questions for you now. And if you aren't a member of community, be sure to click in the description box below and sign up. It's a lot of fun. It's a place where beauty junkies are talking to beauty junkies, to beauty newbies. Everybody is just all abuzz, and it's a great place to chat and play with Sephora. So first up, the first question is a question that I actually have a concern about myself, is under eyes. It says, my under eyes are a huge problem. They are so dull and I always look tired. What products can help brighten them up? Well, lucky for you, we have a new product from Drunk Elephant that I'm super jazzed to try. I'm actually going to give it a go myself. This is called the C-TANGO Multivitamin Eye Cream. What's really cool about this is you've got 5 potent forms of vitamin C in here, which are going to help to brighten and wake up the under eye area, almost like a glass of orange juice in the morning. So if you're looking really dull and tired, this one would be really fun to grab. Also in here, you have 8 peptides that are going to help to firm and tighten the skin under the eye. So you've got a multivitamin jam-packed eye cream that's going to be great to solve that problem. The next question is one that I'm really excited to answer because the product recommendation is brand new and I'm freaking out about it. But the question is, what's a good primer that will help my pores look smaller and my makeup last longer? So we have a brand new product from Tatcha. This is amazing. This is the Silk Canvas Primer. I am literally obsessed. It actually is infused with 3 different kinds of silk powders and silk amino acids that help to smooth the surface of the skin. It's really cool too because it works for liquids, creams, and powder products. So you can use it under eyeshadow, you can even use it on your cheeks to help your blush last longer, and even under lipstick to make lipstick last longer as well. Really beautiful. So it's really easy to apply. All you're gonna do is use the little scoop. There's like a line that's right on the back, so you just want to drag it across the surface of the primer, and all you need is about the size of a grain of rice. Trust me, a little bit of this product goes a really long way, so it's going to last you quite a while. Now you're going to apply that anywhere where you're concerned about pore size, but you can see that it instantly melts into the skin and leaves kind of like a demi-matte skin-like finish. Like I really feel like to the touch it really looks and feels like skin. And you'll notice that when you blend it onto the surface of the skin, it feels prepped and ready to go for whatever makeup you're going to apply afterwards. It's amazing. I strongly encourage you to go to try it. Next question is, I'm scared to use products to cover up my acne because they could make the problem worse. I've definitely heard that before in the past. Is there anything that helps treat my acne, zits, breakouts, etc., and covers at the same time? Yes, we have a ton of products at Sephora that actually are coverage and treatment at the same time. We have a new one from cult classic brand IT Cosmetics. This is called Bye Bye Breakout, and it's actually a full coverage treatment concealer. Inside, you have tea tree, sulfur, and a combination of AHA's BHA complex and witch hazel that help to tighten the pore, slow down oil production, and help the breakout really quickly, all at the same time you're getting the coverage. So if you're looking for something that's going to hide the blemish and reduce it at the same time, IT Bye Bye Breakout is amazing. So now, the next question kind of caters towards the opposite end of the spectrum. It says, hi, I have dry, flaky skin but still need coverage. What can I use that will help the dryness and cover without flaking? So a cult classic product from First Aid Beauty is actually the Ultra Repair Cream. It's an amazing moisturizer that smooths out imperfections and helps even with eczema and rosacea. Now, they have actually extended the Ultra Repair into a tinted moisturizer form, which is really cool. So you're getting the original Ultra Repair Cream, but with a little bit of tint that's going to hide and kind of even skin tone lightly throughout the day. I would suggest that you just apply this with your hands really liberally, really easily, and it's quick and easy for your go. So what's also really cool about this is you have the same colloidal oatmeal and hyaluronic acid that you have in the original Ultra Repair Cream, plus you have an SPF 30, which is awesome, and it comes in 5 shades. So they stretch really wide, so you can really find the one that works best for you. So the next question is, I have redness and sensitive skin. What can I use to even out my skin tone without irritating my skin? Well, what's really cool is that we have an amazing product from Dr. Jart. It's really, really lightweight. This is called the Tiger Grass Camo Drops. Now, it's kind of like a green to beige solution that's going to help to instantly minimize redness in the skin. Just a small, lightweight amount just where you have the redness. And since it's a serum formula, it's really, really lightweight and isn't going to really show a lot of product or texture on the skin. Just helps to kind of minimize and dull any redness that you may be having on the surface, which is really cool. So, another question that I hear all the time and is one of the most common concerns that we hear across all of our channels is, help, I have oily skin and I'm scared of moisturizing. Do I still need moisturizer? Of course you do. But what's a good moisturizer for you? This is from OLEHENRIKSEN and it's the Counterbalance Oil Control Hydrator. So in here you have amazing ingredients and it's packed with like rosehip extract, a botanical blend complex that's going to help to slow down oil production, and a little bit of algae, BHAs, and some eucalyptus. That's what gives it that nice kind of like minty smell, and it's really refreshing when you apply it in the day. This guy is amazing. It's an ultra lightweight moisturizer that really helps to soothe irritated and inflamed skin and also balances oil control. So anywhere where you're oily, it's going to help to slow that down, and anywhere where you're dry, it's going to push a lightweight water-based hydration into the skin. So it's prepped and ready to go for makeup application, feels lightweight and hydrated throughout the day. So it's really, really nice. I love this moisturizer a lot and I recommend it on the regular. So hopefully that inspired you to join Community and get to asking some questions in those forums. Be sure to sign up for Community down below. There's a link in the description box that'll take you right to where you can fill out your profile. It's a lot of fun and I've been really enjoying interacting with you guys on that platform. So as always, be sure to subscribe to Sephora YouTube if you haven't already, and be sure to drop a comment and just say hi in the comment section below today too. So we'll see you later, and ciao for now.